How to apply for a loan or line of credit on Coast Capital. Today we'll go through a quick guide on applying for a personal loan or line of credit with Coast Capital Savings. First, you got to log into your Coast Capital mobile app or mobile banking using your login credentials. From the dashboard, you can open the products or apply section to select loans and lines of credit. Next, you need to review your available information on options such as personal loans, student loans, or personal line of credit. You can choose the product that fits your needs and click on apply. So, first thing you need to do is gather your information, have your employment and address history for last 3 years, and your co-applicant's details if applying jointly. Then you need to submit your application on Coast Capital Savings website and complete the application form. Then you need to do a follow-up. You can expect to hear back on the same business day to discuss your application, your required documents, rates, and terms. Then you can also contact an advisor. You can book an appointment at Coast Capital Savings website itself and book a chat with financial advisor to discuss your borrowing needs, or you could just call a hotline number that's given right over here and receive guidance from there as well. So what you basically need here is you must be the age of majority in your province, 19 years or older. You must live in Canada and a history of employment and address for past 3 years. So if we head over to the submit application website over here, there are some of the details that you need to fill up. So right over here to start a new application, you can just check this box. You can select these options: bankruptcy in the last 7 years, no. A loan, will this loan be used by only behalf of the third party? Let's do no. Politically exposed foreign person, no. Coast Capital Savings, if you are, just tap on yes. If you bank online, tap on yes. If you'd like to log in to pre-fill this form with your information, I'll just continue on with no. Tap on next. Select your preferred type of loan. I'll just do personal. And then scroll down, select joint application. I'll do no. Loan amount requested, let's do $5,000 for now. If you have borrowed from Coast Capital before, I'll just select no and then tap on continue. Wait for a bit. If there are any errors, you need to simply check for all of the details that are correct or not and just follow the on-screen instruction. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.